Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to solve Google Drive's you don't have permission to edit problem. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Gmail. Now I'll open my Drive and over here you can see these are my folders. Now if I want to share this, I'll click on these three dots and click on this share. If you click on this copy link, your link may not be open and asks for permission. For that, click on this share and over here you can see general essays. Keep this to anyone with the link and over here you can see here is roles. You can just give the role to view, comment or edit. Now if there is a problem saying that you need permission to edit this folder, just update this role to editor. And after that, copy this link and now you can share this link with anyone to edit your file. So in this way, we can solve the problem of you need permission to edit your files in Google Drive. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.